Regular cruises, see the port, snap a photo, race back on board. 2026 cruises, arrive, explore all day, party all night, wake up still in port. Overnight ports just made cruising feel like a proper vacation, and I'm about to show you the 10 that will blow your mind.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we turn cruise dreams into reality. Today we're counting down the top 10 overnight ports in 2026 that are straight up transforming cruises into land-style getaways. These aren't your typical 6-hour stops. These are full-day plus night experiences, where the ship becomes your floating hotel and the destination becomes your playground. Let's dive in, starting at number 10.
Number 10. Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas, 5-night itineraries. This iconic Mexican resort town sits at the tip of Baja with its famous Land's End Arch, world-class beaches, and wild nightlife. In 2026, Royal Caribbean is offering multiple overnight stays here. Why is it a game changer? Instead of a rushed tenderboat dash, you get a full day at the beach, sunset margaritas, and late-night clubs, exactly like staying at a beach resort on land. No 5 p.m. all aboard panic. Pure vacation vibes.
Number 9. Ocean Cay Marine Reserve, Bahamas. MSC Cruises from Port Canaveral. MSC's private island paradise with turquoise water, white sand beaches, and epic evening shows. Several 2026 sailings now include full overnights. Game changer reason? You stay until midnight or later for beach bonfires, live music, and fireworks. Then wake up to another full beach day. It literally feels like you booked a private island resort and the ship is just your room.
Barcelona, Spain, Sagrada Familia, Celebrity, and more. The city of Gaudí, Sagrada Familia, and endless tapas bars. Multiple 2026 Mediterranean itineraries now feature overnight calls. Why game-changing? You explore the Gothic Quarter by day, catch a flamenco show after sunset, grab late-night churros, and still have time for breakfast in the same city the next morning. It's like turning Barcelona into your home base instead of a quick photo stop.
Lisbon, Portugal, Regent 7 Seas Immersive Overnights Collection. Hilly streets, yellow trams, and the best pastel de nata on earth. Regent's brand new 2026 Immersive Overnights voyages give you full nights here. Game changer alert! You can ride the tram at golden hour, hear live fado music in the Alfama district after dark, and still wake up in the same stunning city. Feels exactly like a land hotel stay in Europe.
Number 6. Civitavecchia, Gateway to Rome, Italy. Regent 7 Seas and multiple lines. The port that unlocks the eternal city. 2026 itineraries from Regent and others now include overnights. Why it changes everything? You get a full day in Rome, Colosseum, Vatican, pasta, then return for dinner and head back out for evening gelato and illuminated ruins. No sprinting back to the ship. It's Rome on your schedule, like you're staying in a Roman hotel.
Number 5. Livorno, Gateway to Florence and Pisa, Italy. Common on Regent and Celebrity 2026 Med sailings. Tuscany's front door, with easy access to the Leaning Tower and Renaissance masterpieces. Overnights are expanding here in 2026. Game changer. Spend the day in Florence, enjoy a Tuscan wine dinner at sunset, then stroll Pisa at night when the crowds are gone. Wake up ready for round 2. Pure land vacation freedom.
The Pearl of the Adriatic, with its medieval walls and Game of Thrones fame. Several 2026 voyages now overnight. Why game-changing? You walk the city walls at sunset, dine on fresh seafood overlooking the sea, then explore the quiet streets after dark. It feels like you rented a villa inside the old town instead of just visiting from a ship.
Number 3. Kotor, Montenegro. Regent 7 Seas Immersive Overnights. Dramatic fjord-like bay surrounded by mountains and a UNESCO old town. Regent's 2026 collection features multiple nights here. Game changer. Hike the fortress walls at sunrise, enjoy waterfront dining under the stars, and still be docked for coffee the next morning. It's like waking up inside a postcard every single day.
Number 2. Thessaloniki, Greece. Celebrity Cruises 2026 Greek Island Itineraries. Greece's second-largest city with ancient ruins, vibrant food scene, and legendary nightlife. Celebrity is leading with dedicated overnights. Why it's huge? You get the Acropolis vibes without the Athens crowds. Rooftop bars till late, then wake up for more exploring. Feels like you're living the Greek island life on land.
Number 1. Athens, Piraeus, Greece. Celebrity, Regent, and Viking 2026. Multiple overnights. The ultimate winner, the cradle of Western civilization with the Acropolis glowing at night. 2026 is packed with overnight calls across luxury and premium lines. This is the game changer of game changers. You climb the Acropolis by day, watch the sound and light show after sunset, eat in Plaka till midnight, then wake up still in port for your next adventure. It's not a cruise stop anymore. It's your land vacation home base. Pure magic. There you have it, the 10 overnight ports in 2026 that are completely rewriting what a cruise can be. No more port day panic, just pure, relaxed exploration, exactly like a land vacation, but with a floating resort waiting for you every night.
So, which one of these 2026 overnight ports are you adding to your bucket list first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you want the full list of sailings, dates, and best cabins for these overnights, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next week I'm dropping the ultimate 2026 cruise booking guide. Don't forget to grab the free cruise packing checklist in the description. Thanks for cruising with me today. See you on board in 2026.